Hi guys, this is Rocio Arrieta, also known as Wildtravelingsoul. I used to go by Traveling Gypsy Soul, but I changed my username for Instagram because, and for my website and everything because I wanted to be more culturally sensitive. So now I go by Wildtravelingsoul. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram as Wildtravelingsoul. And also, I have a new blog called wildtravelingsoul.com, and there you can find some of my travels that I've been to with my husband, and you can see what we've done. That way you can also go and travel and explore the world. Okay, so today I'm doing something very brave. I'm gonna cut my bangs. Look at that. I cut them, I think every fall. I cut them last year and they grew very long. So I like having them long like this for summer. But now, since fall is here, I want to cut them and make them shorter. So maybe like something like around here, so I could style them. So I haven't done this since high school. Like, I used to cut my bangs like fringe, and I was really brave back then, but now I'm gonna try and see what I can do. So yeah, let's get to it. Okay, so to start it off, I'm gonna get some of my hair. I saw that you're supposed to put 2 fingers, and that's how much you should get. My stylist, okay, I don't really have a stylist, but the person that styled my hair last year, she got way more. So I'm probably gonna get more later. So it's okay to get more as you go. I just want to start off with 2 fingers. So there we go. Yes, I have a lot of hair, and my hair is also very straight. So that's one of the things I'm kind of nervous about, because then I'm gonna have to take more time to style my hair, my bangs. Like, really, do I really want to do this? So I'm gonna get some water and start wetting my hair. If you have really long hair, I recommend that you cut it a little bit below your chin. That way you can start off with something, right? Okay, so now you're gonna want to make a straight line. I'm going based on my nose. Crater. Okay, now that you have your straight line, you're gonna get your side bangs, and you're gonna want to wet them a little more. Try to wet them as much as you can. I don't have a spray, so I'm just using a cup and grabbing it with my hand, so you can see. And my hair is super thick. That's why you can see gray hair. It's like, oh my goodness. So now that you have your hair like this, pretty wet, I recommend that you go little by little. I don't want you to cut off so much and then have to like wait for it to grow to have the look that you want. So I'm gonna start off like this with this amount, and I'm gonna cut diagonally. So I'm just cutting off right now this amount because I mean, they're really long. I'm using regular scissors. You can use the sheer ones, or you can use the ones that are for more layering and stuff, but I don't have those. So I'm just using my husband's. This is so it's not like freaking straight, you know? You can have some layering. You're gonna have to continue cutting. Like, you're gonna have to figure out the length that you want. So I'm gonna keep going. And my hair dries pretty fast, I guess. So I'm gonna wet it more. I recommend just using a spray because sprays are easier. Okay, so now I'm gonna go back. I'm gonna continue cutting like this at first because I want to get the length. Okay, and now I'm just gonna do this. Okay, so I think I'm gonna be good with this length for now. I just want to see when I style it, see how it goes. I'm gonna have hair. So now I'm gonna start with this one. Now I'm gonna use the brush, the comb, to see if I have done the correct length. And it seems like I have. So I'm gonna cut a little bit more just for fun and see how it goes. I recommend, if you don't know how to do this, to maybe go get it done. If you're comfortable with doing this by yourself, I recommend you do that. It's honestly up to you. I just feel like probably this side has more hair than this side, so I might have to add more later. So now I'm gonna go to the other side and cut this. I think it's actually pretty cool. What do you guys think? Should I keep going? Oh my gosh, what should I do? Okay, I'm gonna go a little bit more and that's it, no more, okay? Oh, gosh, I'm so itchy with all my hair. Okay, let's do this a little bit more and then we're done. It's funny because every time I cut my bangs in high school or in college, I would tell my friends, next time I want to cut my bangs, slap me, because they're high maintenance, you know? You have to freaking always blow dry them or use a straightener. And I'm the type of person that I get ready not really quick in the morning, but I don't really do my hair because it's so damn straight. So I try not to do as much, but with bangs, you have to take your time. So that's why I would tell my friends, tell me next time I want to cut my bangs. You have to tell me no, you know? But now I don't really care. So now they're pretty short. There's some hairs that are long, but I like it. I like having long hair here. So you can kind of have the layering. I promise this is the last time. That's the hard thing about freaking cutting your bangs, that you don't know when to stop. I mean, you do, but you're just like, what if I keep going a little bit more? Like, the thing with me, I like cutting them a little bit more though, because they grow so darn fast. So darn tootin' fast. Okay, yeah, I'm gonna do this and then. Okay, now to style, I'm using the Phoebe hairbrush roller heater. I don't have a blow dryer, so yeah, I don't know why I don't. I like this one because it's a travel one. We don't travel like all year. We do travel once or twice a year, a big, you know. So that's why I got the small one. Sorry, I can't talk. Because it fits everywhere, you know. And the reason why I'm not using a straightener is because I feel like the straightener gives it the waves that I don't want. And this just, you kind of brush it, you know. And that's what I want. So now, since my hair's really straight, I literally have to bring this up because give it some volume because it's so damn straight. It's definitely a lot of maintenance. I'm actually very comfortable with this length. I do need to learn how to style it better because my hair is super straight. So yeah, I hope it works out. I could put down my hair. Like here, I need to learn how to style that. But yes, I actually really love my length of the bangs. I might go shorter later if I decide to, but right now I'm happy with this because then I can just put it behind my ear if I want. So yeah, I hope you guys like this tutorial, and I hope it encourages you to have some 70s side bangs. And please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I would love all your support. And also don't forget to follow me on Instagram as Wildtravelingsoul. And I also have a blog, a travel blog called Wildtravelingsoul, and there you can find all the travel places, not all of them, but the most recent ones that we've been to, and places that we've been to. So hopefully that encourages you to travel more. So please check it out. And yeah, I hope you guys like this, and I hope I get to do this better next time. I mean, style it better next after I shower or whatever. Anyway, so love you guys. Thank you. Bye.